Hey, welcome to our Infofun Kids channel. Today we learn about alphabet A to Z with great adventure. Let's start. A is for apple. Apples are delicious fruits that come in various colors such as red, green, and yellow. They are a good source of vitamins and fiber, and they can be eaten raw or used in cooking and baking. Apples grow on trees and are often harvested in the fall. They are enjoyed by people all around the world and can be found in different varieties with unique flavors and textures. B is for book. Books are sources of knowledge and entertainment. They come in different genres such as fiction, non-fiction, fantasy, and mystery. Books can transport readers to different worlds, teach them new skills, or help them learn about different cultures and perspectives. Reading books is a popular pastime enjoyed by people of all ages, and libraries and bookstores offer a wide selection for readers to choose from. C is for cake. Cakes are delicious desserts made from flour, sugar, eggs, and other ingredients. They come in various flavors such as chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry, and they can be decorated in many creative ways. Cakes are often served at celebrations such as birthdays, weddings, and holidays. They bring joy to people's lives and are a delightful treat for special occasions. D is for dog. Dogs are loyal companions and beloved pets. They come in different breeds, sizes, and personalities, from small lap dogs to large working breeds. Dogs provide companionship, protection, and emotional support to their owners. They are known for their loyalty, intelligence, and playful nature. Dogs require care and attention, including regular exercise, grooming, and veterinary care, to ensure they lead happy and healthy lives. E is for elephant. Elephants are majestic animals known for their large size and long trunks. They are found in various habitats such as savannas, forests, and grasslands in Africa and Asia. Elephants are herbivores and eat a diet of grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. They live in social groups called herds and have strong family bonds. Elephants are intelligent creatures with a complex social structure and are admired by people around the world for their beauty and grace. F is for flower. Flowers are beautiful plants that come in a wide range of colors, shapes, and sizes. They play an important role in nature by attracting pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and birds. Flowers are used for various purposes, including decorating gardens, bouquets, and floral arrangements. They are also symbols of love, friendship, and celebration, and they are often given as gifts on special occasions such as birthdays, weddings, and holidays. G is for guitar. Guitars are musical instruments with strings that produce sound when plucked or strummed. They come in different types such as acoustic, electric, and bass guitars, each with its unique sound and characteristics. Guitars are versatile instruments used in various genres of music, including rock, pop, blues, and classical. Learning to play the guitar requires practice and dedication, but it can be a rewarding and enjoyable hobby for people of all ages. H is for house. Houses are places where people live and make memories with their families. They come in different styles and sizes, from cozy cottages to spacious mansions. Houses provide shelter, comfort, and security to their occupants and serve as a place to relax, unwind, and spend time with loved ones. They are also a reflection of people's personalities and lifestyles, with each house being unique and special in its own way. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is a delicious frozen dessert made from cream, sugar, and flavorings such as fruits, nuts, and chocolate. It comes in many flavors and varieties, including vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and mint chocolate chip. Ice cream is a popular treat enjoyed by people of all ages, especially during hot weather. It can be served in cones, cups, or as part of sundaes, milkshakes, and ice cream floats. J is for juice. Juice is a refreshing beverage made from the liquid extracted from fruits and vegetables. It comes in many flavors such as orange, apple, grape, and pineapple. Juice is a popular choice for breakfast or as a refreshing drink on a hot day. It is rich in vitamins and minerals and can be enjoyed on its own or mixed with other ingredients to create delicious cocktails and smoothies. K is for kite. A kite is a fun toy that flies in the air using the force of the wind. It typically consists of a lightweight frame covered with paper or fabric and a long tail to stabilize its flight. Kites come in various shapes, sizes, and designs, from simple diamond-shaped kites to intricate dragon or butterfly kites. Flying a kite is a popular outdoor activity enjoyed by people of all ages, and it provides hours of entertainment and excitement on windy days. L is for lamp. A lamp is a device that produces light, typically using electricity or a fuel source such as oil or gas. Lamps come in various styles and designs, including table lamps, floor lamps, and pendant lamps. They are used for illumination in homes, offices, and outdoor spaces, providing both functional lighting and decorative accents. Lamps can also enhance the ambience of a room with their warm glow and stylish appearance. M is for moon. The moon is Earth's natural satellite, orbiting around our planet. It is the brightest object in the night sky and has fascinated humans for centuries with its changing phases and mysterious appearance. The moon plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's tides and influencing various natural phenomena, such as animal behavior and lunar eclipses. It has inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific discoveries throughout history. N is for nest. A nest is a structure built by birds to lay eggs and raise their young. It is typically made from twigs, leaves, grass, and other natural materials, and is constructed in trees, bushes, or on the ground, depending on the species of bird. Nests vary in size and shape, from simple depressions in the ground to elaborate woven structures suspended from branches. They provide shelter and protection for eggs and hatchlings until they are ready to leave the nest and fend for themselves. O is for ocean. The ocean is a vast body of salt water covering approximately 71% of Earth's surface. It plays a vital role in regulating the planet's climate, weather patterns, and oxygen levels, and is home to a diverse array of marine life. The ocean provides valuable resources such as food, transportation routes, and recreational opportunities for humans. It also serves as a source of inspiration and wonder, with its vastness and beauty capturing the imagination of people around the world. P is for pizza. Pizza is a popular Italian dish consisting of a round, flat dough base topped with tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings such as meats, vegetables, and herbs. It is baked in an oven and served hot, often sliced into wedges for sharing. Pizza is enjoyed worldwide and comes in many variations, from traditional margherita and pepperoni pizzas to gourmet creations with exotic ingredients. It is a versatile and satisfying meal that can be customized to suit individual tastes and preferences. Q is for queen. A queen is a female monarch who rules over a kingdom or territory. She holds a position of authority and power, often inheriting her title through royal lineage or marriage. Queens play significant roles in shaping the political, cultural, and social landscapes of their respective realms, and they are often revered and celebrated by their subjects. Throughout history, queens have left indelible marks on the world through their leadership, diplomacy, and contributions to society. R is for rainbow. A rainbow is a meteorological phenomenon that occurs when sunlight is refracted, reflected, and dispersed by water droplets in the atmosphere, resulting in a spectrum of colors appearing in the sky. Rainbows are typically seen in the sky opposite the sun, often after rainfall or when mist or spray is present. They are characterized by bands of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, arranged in a semicircular arc. Rainbows are awe-inspiring natural spectacles that have captivated humans for centuries with their beauty and symbolism. S is for sun. The sun is the star at the center of our solar system, around which Earth and other planets orbit. It is a massive, luminous sphere of hot plasma that generates heat and light through nuclear fusion reactions in its core. The sun provides energy for life on Earth, powering photosynthesis, driving weather patterns, and sustaining ecosystems. It is also a source of inspiration and awe, with its radiant presence shaping cultures, religions, and scientific understanding through. T is for tree. A tree is a tall, woody plant with a single main trunk and branches that extend from it. Trees play a crucial role in the environment, providing oxygen, regulating climate, and supporting biodiversity. They also offer valuable resources such as timber, fruit, and shade for humans and other animals. Trees come in various shapes, sizes, and species, from towering redwoods and majestic oaks to graceful willows and colorful flowering trees. They are symbols of strength, resilience, and interconnectedness in nature. U is for unicorn. A unicorn is a mythical creature often depicted as a horse with a single, spiraling horn projecting from its forehead. Unicorns have been part of folklore and mythology for centuries, symbolizing purity, grace, and magic. They are legendary creatures that capture the imagination and inspire wonder with their mystical appearance and enchanting qualities. Despite their mythical status, unicorns continue to fascinate people of all ages with their timeless appeal and symbolism. V is for violin. A violin is a string instrument with 4 strings, typically played with a bow. It is one of the most iconic and versatile instruments in classical music, with a rich and expressive sound that can evoke a wide range of emotions. Violins come in various sizes and styles, from full-size concert violins to smaller instruments designed for children and beginners. They are used in orchestras, chamber ensembles, and solo performances, showcasing their versatility and adaptability. W is for whale. Whales are large marine mammals that inhabit oceans around the world. They come in various species, including the blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, and the humpback whale, known for its acrobatic breaching behavior. Whales are adapted to life in the water, with streamlined bodies, flippers for swimming, and blowholes for breathing air at the surface. They are known for their intelligence, social behavior, and complex communication systems, making them fascinating subjects for scientific study and conservation efforts. X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument consisting of a series of wooden bars of varying lengths suspended over resonators or tubes. When struck with mallets, the bars produce musical tones that can be arranged to play melodies and harmonies. Xylophones come in different sizes and configurations, from small toy versions for children to large orchestral instruments. They are used in various genres of music, including classical, jazz, and folk, and are popular in both solo and ensemble performances. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy product made by fermenting milk with bacterial cultures such as Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. It has a creamy texture and tangy flavor and is often served as a snack or dessert. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that promote gut health and digestion. It is also a good source of protein, calcium, and vitamins, making it a nutritious addition to a balanced diet. Yogurt comes in various flavors and styles, including Greek yogurt, which is strained to remove excess liquid and has a thicker consistency. Z is for zoo. A zoo is a facility where animals are kept and displayed for public viewing, education, and conservation purposes. Zoos feature a diverse array of species from around the world, ranging from mammals and birds to reptiles and amphibians. They provide habitats and care for animals that may be endangered or threatened in the wild and participate in breeding programs to help conserve species at risk of extinction. Zoos also offer educational programs, guided tours, and interactive exhibits to teach visitors about wildlife conservation, ecology, and biodiversity. Thank you for watching video. For more videos subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon.